As you know, the pandemic has really put a hamper on a lot of stuff right around the world. Football, no doubt, is one of those stuff. Our preparation is far behind where it should be. We are just in training about 6 or 7 weeks now, which in the last 3 seasons we would have been much further in our preparation for the upcoming season. This team is a rebuilding team. Others are building and moving forward. We basically starting from ground zero with this team. Pandemic has really hit our program, and I guess it would be the same for a number of other programs. So in terms of how competitive these guys will be, they are inexperienced. I know that they can play, but experience goes a far way in terms of the expectation that we'll have of them. Basically, our projection is for 22-23, and whatever we get from this season is a bonus. This team is basically the team that took part in the last under 14 competition. The average age for this team is 16, and there's nobody in the squad right now that has any Manning Cup experience.
Well, we're a very young team, and as always, we have a legacy which we'd hope to live on to. And we just started training 7 weeks ago, so we're expecting greatness, but as well we're keeping it humble.
How is the team in the 7 weeks? How has it been for the team?
Well, the team looks great, as you can see, and as I said before, we are very great, talented youngsters.
In terms of the chemistry and the unity now, how you see that coming along?
Yes, the chemistry is coming along. We're building together, and we shall do good stuff.
You have done this before, build a successful goalkeeper like Jaden White. What is the goalkeepers like in this year Manning Cup competition?
Well, the goalkeepers are fairly good enough, you know, have the ability to do well like Jaden White. You know, they just have to work as hard as how Jaden used to work.
Are you getting that work rate from them?
Yes, man, that is what I demand them to do, to give me that work rate like Jaden White, so we can have the next Jaden White coming out of STATHS, or even better than Jaden White coming out of STATHS.
Alright, how satisfied you are with where they are now?
I am very much satisfied now. I'm getting there. We're not at 100, but we're about 75, 80 right now.